You guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another try on haul featuring Quince. So there's a couple pieces that I've had my eye on for Quince for a while, and if you have never shopped at Quince, girl, you are totally missing out. I will throw up my other Quince hauls up in the cards. I've shopped there for, I want to say this will be my third year, maybe second year. No, this will be my third, I think. They have, basically think about them as like all your favorite stores. Everlane, Madewell, J. Crew, Saison, whatever. Any of the like very classic places, but they also have like homeware, bedding, silverware. Like they have everything at a fraction of the cost. They basically take the luxury name and just give you the goods without paying for that, like that markup of a name brand, if you know what I mean. This is not sponsored. I just absolutely love their stuff and buy so much from them. And I wanted to share with you recently what I picked up. There were two pieces that I was like lusting over, and then the rest I was like, let's try it and see what I think. So the first is this piece. This is 100% Mongolian cashmere. Again, high quality pieces for, again, a fraction of the cost. This isn't a cheap sweater by any means, but this is a inspired by, I believe, the Ginny Kane, I want to say, sweater. Now, unfortunately, this is too big for me. I did get it in a medium. I typically size up in all of their sweaters because I like an oversized fit, but this is a more fitted sweater. Now, I typically also with like button front tops go up because I have a larger chest. So if I don't want that like pulling, do you know what I mean? But I am gonna get this in a small. This is stunning. It is a statement sweater. It is a sweater that you could wear as like a very professional look, but also just casual with a pair of jeans. I paired this two different ways in the video so you can kind of see how I would style this. I love this. It is so freaking soft and it is thick and it has a good weight and structure to it. It kind of cinches in, you can see at the waist, and then bows out a little bit, like flares out. So like I said, I just need a size small in this and I'm going to order it immediately. You can do exchanges and returns at their website 365 days, you guys. It is incredible, okay? And they have a really great reward system as well. I'm constantly reviewing the products so that I can get points to use on my future purchases. But anyways, I love this. And yeah, I will get this in a small. They have a couple of other colors. Love the pocket detailing. Think this is stunning. Now, the way that I envisioned wearing this is with silk bottoms. I have a pair of navy silk pants that I thought would look gorgeous with, but I unfortunately dried them, so I need to do the hack where you like soak them in conditioner to kind of stretch them back out a little bit. It's not like they're ruined, they're just, oh, they shrunk a little. So we're gonna make that work. But I have a navy pair that I love. But I also thought this chocolate brown skirt, I'm loving anything chocolate brown for this winter season. I thought this would be stunning. I have a couple of their skirts as well. I think I have a short one. No, I just have the short one, I believe, a short black one. Not a short, but like a shorter-ish one. This is beautiful. This like mermaid sort of maxi style satin skirt is everything. I tend to go up in these type of products or type of bottoms, like a silk bottom, because silk can, with static, cling to spots and it can enhance things that maybe we don't necessarily want enhanced. It's just not a forgiving fabric, let me put it that way. So I go up in a size medium with this and it fits perfectly. It is just such a beautiful floor length skirt. I thought it would look adorable as an outfit with that sweater for sure, but also just with like a nice chunky oversized sweater. I have a brown sweater from them that I thought also would look great with it. Any sweater would look good with this, but this is just a basic staple for the winter. And I have one from Express too, a black one, and I've worn the heck out of it. And yeah, I'm just excited to have it in brown. And then sticking with this brown theme, I am not typically a dress type of girl, but I did want just a nice, sort of like wintry, but still a fun, not like super long, kind of a fun, could wear this to dinner with some boots and tights, whatever type of dress. It's nothing like so fancy, but it's also a little fancy. It has the beautiful like cowl neck. Again, I got this in a medium. I would say if you want more of a fitted look, go with a small. You could always wear like Spanx or something like that under as well. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. But again, this material can kind of cling and highlight areas that maybe we don't want to enhance. So I go with a medium in this. It has a nice like bell type of sleeve. Beautiful like cinching in at the waist, and then A-line type of bottom. This is so freaking pretty. I love this so much, and I'm just excited to have a piece like this in my wardrobe that I just need to push myself when we go out to a nice dinner in Dallas. Like, wear this. Girl, wear it. Don't wear what you typically wear it. And I feel like it's one of those things that I just need to wear it and I'll get comfortable wearing it. And so many people dress up in Dallas, so it's not like I would feel like overdressed or whatever. I've just never been that much of a dress girl, but this dress really spoke to me, and it comes in a couple of different colors, but the chocolate brown is my new like obsession. And I paired those two together. I don't know if you noticed. I was like, had the dress on and then I put the skirt on underneath, and I'm like, wait, this could be like a full chocolate satin moment. I'm kind of here for it. A belt on it would also be insanely cute, but they match perfectly because they're both the same color. And I think that it actually worked for like a very like maybe more of a formal look. I love it. And the silk is like so like easy to kind of just tuck and manipulate, so you can like, it doesn't look bulgy underneath the skirt. Okay, this piece specifically was the piece that I was like waiting for it to come in stock. It was on like pre-order for a while. This is their yak sweater, I believe. This is a very good, like inspired by the Satin, sorry, the Satin, I think it's called the Jaspard sweater or something like that, but I ordered one of them, I wanna say like last spring or two springs ago, maybe 2 springs ago. And it was so incredibly itchy and like had the longest hairs that I just was not a fan of. If you're somebody who like, okay, I can't be alone this, that you just get like hairs from your head all over things and you like constantly just like have to pick it off and it drives you nuts. That sweater is like that. Like it looks like you have a bunch of hairs all over it, and I would just be like, no, absolutely not. But I really loved this just like classic sort of bigger neckline because I like to wear a white tee underneath it. Just very basic cardigan. I got this in a medium. I could have gone with a small, it would have been fine. These are already pretty oversized. I'm glad I didn't go with a large. It's still long enough to tuck into things, leave it open, leave it undone. This is just the perfect cozy sweater. This will also be light enough to go into spring. It's a beautiful like cable knit, but very fine. It's not super thick sweater, but it's warm. It's made of yak, I believe. Something like that. Love the detailing behind the buttons, and then the buttons themselves are kind of like an opal-y sort of look to them. I loved the gray so much, so happy. Again, I think this comes in like 3 colors, but this sort of like cool tone gray, kind of taupey almost, was just the perfect addition to my wardrobe. And I love a good cardigan. I feel like that sort of full neckline cardigan is very in, and I don't think it's going anywhere forever. And I feel like even if it does go like out, or V-necks are coming back and whatever, I still think I will wear the heck out of that. Next up, I tried these pants. These have been again on my like wish list. You know, when you look something up and then it pops up all over your Facebook, like, okay, we get it, you're watching, but like these have been on my list. Now, I think I should go up a size of these. I got a size 4 in them, and I think I should go up a 6 because I just want a looser fit. They fit honestly good. I just want more of a baggier fit, specifically in the hip region. That's just where I tend to carry the most of my amount of weight. So it looks tighter in the hips, but the waistline fits really nice. These are kind of like a tapered, or not a taper, but they fit really nice up at the waist. And they're just kind of like a chino that's a like puddle jumper, kind of reminds me of. I don't know, is that what they call them? It's got a giant cuff at the bottom. You could always let it out as well, but I think the fit at the bottom is perfect. Love these sort of square pockets at the top, and love the big thick belt loops. Love this little tortoise shell button as well. I just think the detail of it's really cute. Again, I just want more room in the top of my hips. I just think it'll look a little bit more relaxed and cute. But I will be trying these out in a 6 and seeing how I feel about them, because I think it will look better, in my opinion, for the look that I'm going for. But overall, love these. So freaking soft, and I love this khaki green color. And then I got this little button-up Oxford white top as well. I got this in a size large. I definitely want my button-ups to be insanely oversized, and I'm very into just like jeans and button-up and just very undone, but it looks so good. I'm obsessed with this look. I've been watching so much, or not watching, I cannot think of her last name. Her name is Dakota Johnson, maybe? I can't think. She's in like, I'll leave her name. You know what I'm talking about. She's in that movie that I never saw, but everyone like raves about, which I also cannot think. 50 Shades of Grey. That girl, that Dakota. Anyway, she's got the most effortless, cool style, and she wears a lot of button-ups, but like undone, and it's such a good look, and I love it. Anyway, love this. Definitely keeping this. Perfect, oversized. I do not have an Oxford, which is like that thicker material button-up in white. I only have it in blue. So super happy that I have one now, and I can report that these are great button-ups. Love. And then last but not least, I decided to try their athletic-y line, and I've got some thoughts. Okay, so first is this little ruched little, like kind of similar to like a Lululemon Swift or something, whatever, top. It has a little bit of ruching on the sides, but you can't really notice. It does have this like kind of, what do I want to call it, rubberized grip at the bottom, which is really nice because it stays down on leggings. I will be keeping this. Now, they are removing it from their site. So yeah, if you want it, run and grab it. I don't know why they're removing it, but I like these for like my walks, base layers, things like that to kind of go for walks. And I love that it has that strip at the bottom. I did size up to these. I don't like them super tight. I like them a little bit loose, personally. So I got this in medium. Yes, definitely keeping this. I think it was around $30. And yeah, I like the black. There is like some like designing and like piping and all that kind of stuff. I don't care for that, but you can't see it in the black. So yes, definitely keeping that. Next up, I decided to try these leggings. Now I wish there was a sports bra in this color, in a style that I like, because I am very into my matching sets recently. But this color was just too good to pass up. It's kind of like a cobalty, but a little bit deeper. I don't know how to explain it. It's beautiful though. Unfortunately, okay, two things. These are so soft. These feel like Lululemon Alliance, like so stretchy, so good. I got a medium, or I got a small. I probably could have gone to a medium, only because this band that's right here on the waist, I'll show you in the video, is very thick, and it digs in again at my squishiest part in my hips, and it kind of like dips in. So it's not the most flattering, but everything else I love. So I might grab these in a medium and just kind of see. These are very nice leggings. They're double lined up at the top, single lines in the legs. They're very, very similar to any of my Amazon or Lululemon. They have a very like a pressed type of seam in the back, so nothing like, I don't know, they're just, every detail is like spot on. Pocket in the front for your key or whatever. These are made out of 78% nylon and 22% spandex. Again, I just personally think that the thickness of the stitching up at the top just digs in on me. So again, I could try it in a medium. I might when I get everything else, when I reorder my like sweater and the pants, but they are good. I'll keep you posted on if the medium is more flattering in that aspect. But if you are like a board, like don't have any sort of squishy areas in the tummy, those are great. And I want to say they're on par with the same prices of Amazon. And the colors are pretty cool, I think. So yeah, that is it. That is everything that I purchased in my recent Quince haul. I believe that I have like some sort of referral code, give 20, get 20. I'm not sure though. I will have all the details in the description box down below. But again, they have an amazing point system. If you review the products that you purchase, you can get money off. They don't hardly ever do sales, but their prices are so good in general for the quality. Sometimes I'm just like, how do they do it? But I also, on my list, I'm gonna order a top for Scott. He wants this like fisherman cotton ivory sweater, so I'm gonna order that, and I'll let you guys know the quality and fit on is if you've ever thought about anything for the men. But they recently just added a freaking couch on there. It's like a leather sectional, and it's like $5,000, but it's like a full leather huge sectional that would probably cost you like $8,000 in like real world. Real world. I also really want to get a pair of sheets, like so bad. I might get the green gingham for the spring. How cute. I'm holding off on buying anything major just because like we're gonna be out of here soon. So I kind of just want to like have a more cohesive look once we actually get into our more forever home. But yeah, they have so much good stuff. So if you just like have never browsed their site, or it's been a minute since you've browsed their site, there's so much. It's incredible. And I have yet to find things that I really don't like. I love everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have everything linked in the description box down below for you guys to check out, as well as on the YouTube shop button, because I'm pretty sure they are a partner for YouTube. Be sure to check out my up and coming winter Pinterest outfits, whatnot, and you will see a lot of these pieces styled. But I did just want to do a quick little try on for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, fun and helpful, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.